very much. Saan kayo pupunta? Thank you. So, again, it was really shortcut na naging shortcut is because we'd like to express our appreciation to Vice Mayor Galawan for actually acknowledging everyone in this municipal gymnasium. But again, allow me first to acknowledge our guest of honor speaker, Congressman Eric Goyab. Sir, thank you very much for coming. And at the same time, of course, we have here our provincial governor, Governor Melchor Duclas, and of course, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan members led by Vice Governor Mayor Bongon Kibas. Ma'am, thank you. Hindi ko na po sasabihin yung iba, but again, of course, to the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of this local government unit, again, thank you very much for supporting this administration, and we are also very grateful that in this celebration, we also have our sister towns coming from number one, of course, from the municipality of Rosales. We have here Mayor William Cesar, represented by Councilor Conrad. So thank you very much, sir, for coming. And yun, istorya ka, do you know that, again, the municipality of Rosales have an existing trading center. And at the same time, the municipality of Rosales had been helping us, particularly with the problem of our vegetable. So just recently, the municipality of Rosales, led by their mayor, had purchased about 61 tons of assorted vegetables just the other week. Thank you very much, sir. And hope that more of those particular purchases would come. And also, we are also graced by one of our sister town coming from the United States of America. Of course, we have here Mayor Brian Chester Lahi of the municipality of Yolo. Thank you very much, sir. So we had just a conversation yesterday, and he mentioned that he was in Manila. And at the same time, because we are sisters, so we extend our invitation to them so that they would join us for our celebration today. So that's how sisters work actually. At the same time, of course, na-acknowledge po tamami, na-acknowledge ng tatay, na-acknowledge ni Vice Mayor, of course, ni Mayor Artemio Galawan. Ang na-acknowledge ni Atty. Gilar Galawan, di ba? Okay, and at the same time, of course, our previous officials, without you, there could have been no celebration that we're celebrating today. We have here former Mayor Edna Tabanda. Ma'am, thank you very much for coming. Also, we have our previous municipal officials. We have Vice Mayor Samuel Esguerra, sir. We have Vice Mayor Josephine Gakad at Daisunay. We have former Mayor and now Board Member Romeo Salazar. Councilor Jim Gutiwe, and my Councilor Estrella Adebayo, and Yana Municipal Councilors. So to everyone, kung pasensya kayo nagana kayo, umaamok mo manayon, sinbagan ni panag-acknowledge ni Vice Mayor Gilar Galawan. But again, let us go back to our team this morning. Our team this morning is Limitless na Trinidad, rooted by heritage, boundaries, and vision. So let us remember that without the sacrifices of our previous municipal officials, without the sacrifices and at the same time of the works of the persons of the people who came before us, we could not have been enjoying the Trinidad to what it is today. So basically, that heritage could be tangible or intangible, it is all because of you. At pasalamat kami ako, kadagitaman nga nanaramit kayo for the last generations or for the last how many years that you have been there. It's because without you, we could not have been standing here today or at the same time enjoying the very sacrifices in which you bore fruit, in which we are enjoying this morning. So thank you very much to all of you. Palakpakan kayo namin yung pagkalapas ng pagkakaroon. Our previous workers, our constituents who really work hard for our municipality of Latin America. And again, looking forward. So the challenge tayo tatao ng madama. So in order for us to really have a good future, in order for us to have a boundless future or a limitless future, and basically at subyak nga na po, di kanayon tayo ako ng ibang baga. Your local government unit cannot do it all alone. Local government unit needs your support as a community. That's why today, this morning, we are celebrating and recognizing the effort of these valuable persons who are in this side. Ito'y ako dahil ito'y man the cream of the crop of this year, which will now be awarded special awards and recognition due to them for their sacrifices and at the same time for the recognition that they have given to this local government unit. So later on, ma-witness tayo ako, dagito'y man, nga individuals and organizations tayo, and thank you. Let your accomplishment be the motivation and inspiration so that others would follow in this local government unit. So let me go back again, we need you as our community. Your local government unit cannot do it alone. Kasapulan ni Apo kita kayo. So whatever we do, as your local government official, we cannot do nothing without your support. Your partnership, collaboration, cooperation is very valuable towards our future. So in order for us to have a healthier La Trinidad, in order for us to have a resilient La Trinidad, in order for us to have a progressive, smart, and sustainable La Trinidad, we all need your support. That's why this particular celebration is celebrating the cooperation and unity of this local government. So, nung na-observe ko na tayo from the usual La Trinidad Foundation Day that we are having, katayo ako sa Parintata. And sinukatan tayo that yung economical mass. It's because we certainly believe that again, by joining all together, the community joining all together in prayer, siguro daw yung mararamin tayo kakarot at challenging times. So again, we hope that as we move forward, again, we seek your cooperation. We seek your support. We seek your partnership. We seek your prayers for us to have a limitless La Trinidad. So again, to everyone, welcome to our 76th Foundation Day celebration. A pleasant good morning.